You know, at the beginning of investigation, I had some doubt whether we'll be able to control so much data received from other different foreign countries where secret and well-organized crime association was acting. This association was committing crime related to drug trafficking, human being trafficking, and money laundering and others. But thanks time, perseverance, and stubbornness of officers to close international cooperation while conducting large-scale international operation, which coordinated by Eurojust, we could decompose this criminal association. As the results of the mentioned operation, many of its leaders were detained and has preventing international criminality, and maybe saving not one only young people to falling in the traps on drug traffickers and human being traffickers. I think this case is one of the best results when having joined forces, both of national or international level. We can achieve good results in the fights against criminality.